Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. Jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I used that as an eyeshadow primer, so I just applied it all over my eyelid and then I went in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out, and then I set it in place with some translucent powder, and that's just going to help to blend eyeshadows a little bit easier. The eyeshadow palette that I went in with is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Alyssa Edwards palette, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I actually really enjoy using this palette, so that's the one I'm going to be using today. The first shade that I went in with is the Supreme, which is a light peachy shade, and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. And you don't have to be too precise with this eyeshadow because it is just going to be a background shade. Next, I went in with the shade Texas Made, which is this vibrant pink shade, and I grabbed a defined angled brush and I put that in my crease, starting to map out where I want to add depth. And I usually put it a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, it frames my eye socket. And then I went into the Supreme once again just to blend everything out to make sure that there are no harsh lines, just going in back and forth motions. And I did pick up a little bit of that pink shade as well, just to really make sure that everything is nice and smoked out. And then I went back into the shade Texas Made, which is the matte pink shade, and I grabbed a flat shader brush and I started to pack that color all over my outer lid area, dragging it inwards, but leaving the inner corner completely bare, because we are going to clean that up with concealer, but I did want to add a little bit of definition in the outer corner. And then I went back into the Too Faced Born This Way concealer just to clean up the lid. And this step is definitely optional. I know this part is pretty hard for people that aren't as advanced, but definitely practice makes perfect, and I like to use a brush that kind of does the work for you. And then I went into the shade Headliner, which is this matte white eyeshadow, and I picked up a flat brush and I just set that concealer in place, and it just made it pop even more. And then I went in to the shade The Supreme, which is the peachy shade that we picked up first, and I grabbed a fluffy brush just to really merge that pink shade with that matte white shade. And then I decided that I wanted to add some glitter, so I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter in the shade Blazing Sunset, and I packed that right on top of where the white shade merges with the pink shade on the lid. And I would just recommend letting the glitter glue get tacky. I went in with the NYX glitter glue. And then for lashes, I went in with the Sophie Bella lashes in the style Barbados. For those of you guys that don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand. And I will always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lashes. But yeah, we appreciate every single one of you guys that places an order on our website and supports our brand. And then I went in with the shade Texas Made and I just put that on my lower lash line. And lastly, I just went in with some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. We are almost at 130,000 subscribers, which is honestly so mind-blowing, and I just want to give a big thanks to all of you guys that have been supporting us from day one. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!